Before going to that, I would first to start with what is nutrition. Can anyone help us with the definition? What is nutrition? All books come to this slide first. So nutrition, what is nutrition? I will write it and explain it first. So nutrition is the process, three things are there, which helps in collection of chemical components for the body. It will provide necessary energy for different activities and develop immunity for the body. Before getting disease, generally bodies try to protect itself, developing immunity. So write this definition. This is known as nutrition. Nutrition is the process where we can find three things or maybe one also. That will be also known as nutrition. If you find any one process is also going on, we will also say that is nutrition. So collect the chemical components for the body to develop, to get the necessary energy. For that also you have to collect something, and develop immunity, develop resistance against disease. So these three things should be collectively known, or single if it is there, and it is the part of nutrition for animal. So this is nutrition. If this is nutrition, there are some fundamental needs of nutrition. Why should we go for nutrition? So basic nutritional needs of any organism, we will find three things are required, as we mentioned in the definition. So from there also we can derive. So whatever may be the organism, everybody is eating maybe from outside or developing something, generating something inside, and then it is taking as a food. So what is the necessity to take food? There are certain necessity. First one, what are the needs? Then it should be known as the nutritional needs, in the standpoint from the nutrition, not from other standpoint. For development of the body, whether it is unicellular or multicellular, all organisms will require some components, some elements, some compounds. So these organic raw materials will be required for biosynthesis. So it should come from nutrition, collection. Then fuel for all cellular work. Whatever may be the work, even it is artificial work, you require energy. You cannot even ride on a cycle without providing energy. You have to paddle. So you have to provide energy, then you will move. So if you want to get light, you have to supply electricity. You want to move fan, then you have to supply electricity. So every time energy is required in our body or any organism's body, for any cellular work, energy is required, and that is fuel. And third one, essential nutrients. Some nutrients can be manufactured inside the body of any organism, maybe, but all the effective organic molecules will not be manufactured in every body or each and everyone's organism's body. So you need to, or the organism need to collect that one. We also need to collect many things from outside. We cannot manufacture. So these three things in every organism's playing the essential part for nutrition. So these three are nutritional needs. Understand this first. Now next is a very important thing. Sometimes it is known as nutritional network. Nutritional network, it is like a cycle. Two wheels are there. More or less, so to say, one wheel is here and another wheel is there. So two wheels, from the wheel we would like to understand, here it is mentioned as elements. Carbon, hydrogen or oxygen or nitrogen, all these are elements, and it is written in a cycle. And also partly as energy, partly in a cycle, but energy is mentioned. It is not fully circular, but more or less circular, so to say. So these are the on two wheels, the nutritional network is moving on. And what are they? So these are every organism also doing with this also. Here also same thing. Every organism will do that. continually exchanging energy and materials with the environment. So it depends on two cycles. When you are, or any organism exchanging with the, because now 50 carbon molecules are required, so you have to obtain from outside, and you do not need 30 nitrogen, so you can remove it. So but you have to go on with this collection and removal. This is elemental cycle. On Earth, the number of atoms of all the elements are fixed, but organisms are getting birth, or are born and also died. So that's why we can continually changing, getting more number of elements time and again. But these are fixed. But though they are fixed, any organisms can be born and can get the elements and compounds required for body development and for fuel and all that. Again, it will replenish that to the environment after death. Another is here, energy will be required, so there is another cycle of energy. Generally, we are getting energy mostly on Earth from sun. So sun is the more or less, except few like nuclear energy, all energy source will be fundamentally from sun. So nutritional network is based on two cycles, depending on two cycles. One is cycle of energy and another is cycle of elements. I hope we are clear with these two ideas. If these two are not there, we cannot expect new organisms, because there will be scarcity of elements, and if there is no energy, nothing can be done.